guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina, and it's the best time of year here on the farm. Our crops have started to come in. Specifically, we have blueberries and mulberries that are finally starting to turn colors, and that means that in a few weeks everything will start to bloom and everything will start to come in, and I'm excited. My wife's excited, but back here on the back side of the house, blueberry bushes all the way around. We have two different varieties here, the taller ones. I mean, this is beyond a bumper crop. This is insane how many blueberries are in on these. So it's going to be an incredible year here. Right down below there, you've got a different variety of blueberries that are also coming in. So as you can see, down here on the end, we have these two little plants here, and I need to trim that back a little bit. But yes, little blue blueberries. They have started to arrive, and they're really good. Let's walk up a little ways to the mulberry bushes, and let's take a look at those. So here we are with mulberry bushes, and you can see a lot of them are still red, but they're just starting to come in, and those are awesome. I don't know if any of y'all have ever tried mulberries, but they're a great, tasty little treat. And this is about, what, 3 years old now, and doing well. I've got 2 of them. I'm wishing I planted like 50 of them, because after I understand it, next year and the year after, they just explode in size. So lots of free food right here. You're going to make some great jams and jellies if I don't eat them all right here while I'm making this video. One more stop. I want to show you the peach tree. The peach tree is about 3 years old now, and it's also doing awesome. So let's go check it out. Lastly, we have this peach tree here. The other 2 peach trees aren't doing as well this year. I guess late frost really took it out, and I didn't think we were going to get any. But this tree, and it might be hard to see, lots of peaches, lots of peaches, peaches everywhere. So we're really hopeful that we get to them before the deer get to them. The thing is, wildlife, it understands that the second that these things turn pink or turn that kind of peachy color, well, they come out of the woodwork to get them. So we hope we get them. We might pick them when they're a little bit underripe, but it's just awesome. So it's been a great spring here on Farpoint Farms. I know a lot of you all are starting your first gardens this year. A lot of you are wondering about buying fruit trees or plants like blueberry bushes and mulberry bushes, strawberries, things like that. The best advice I can give you is get started, and if it's a little later in the growing season wherever you are, that's okay. It's still not too late to plant these things. You won't get a great crop out of them this year, but they'll be there established next year. So if you have any questions, I'll be happy to try and answer them. I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.